Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Oreo cupcake recipe. We are going to start by preheating the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I also turned the ventilation mode on so the cupcakes cook homogeneously. Now let's move on to the ingredients. For 24 cupcakes you will need 4 eggs, 2 bags of vanilla sugar, 80 g of unsweetened cocoa powder, 100 g of sugar, 200 g of milk chocolate, 2 pinches of salt, 250 g of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 170 g of vegetable oil, here I have sunflower oil, 240 g of milk and 200 g of cream. We're going to start by adding the flour to a big bowl. Then we're going to add the cocoa powder, then the sugar, then the salt and the baking soda, and we are going to mix all the ingredients together. We're going to add the vegetable oil and the milk, and we're going to start mixing again. We're going to prepare our electric whisk and set it aside. Now add the eggs to the mixture. And mix. Add the vanilla sugar to the cream and mix with a fork. Now add the cream to the mixture and start mixing again. Now put some paper cupcake molds into a metallic cupcake mold. And thanks to a spoon, here I'm using an ice cream spoon, we are going to start by adding just a small amount of mixture into the mold. Just a quarter. We're going to fill just a quarter of the mold. In fact, we're going to add some chocolate inside the cupcake. So after filling 1/4 of the mold, we're going to add just a small square of chocolate into each mold. So after filling the quarter of the mold, we will add just a small square of chocolate in each mold. And after that, you can start by adding some more mixture and fill the cupcake at least 3/4 of the mold. Do not fill all the cupcake because we're going to have a very big cupcake, so just the 3/4 are just fine. So now we are going to put the cupcakes into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After 12 minutes, take a toothpick and put it inside the cupcake. The toothpick must come out dry. And be careful because the baking time depends on the oven you use. Now start to unmold the cupcakes and put them aside so they can cool easily. Here I use a little grate. Now let's move on to the frosting. You will need 4 spoons of icing sugar, 250 grams of mascarpone, 24 mini Oreos, 10 full-size Oreos, 20 centiliter of cream, and one bag of vanilla sugar. Start by mixing the cream with an electric whisk. After that, add the icing sugar, the vanilla sugar, and the mascarpone. And mix again. You should obtain a firm texture. Now take the full-size Oreo and cut them into small pieces. Now add the Oreo chunks to the frosting and mix. Now we are going to assemble our piping bag. I personally use a medium pipe. If you don't know how to assemble a piping bag, just follow the video. And start filling the piping bag with the frosting. You can now start decorating your cupcake, so I create a small circle on the top of the cupcake. And after that, I just put a mini Oreo on top of it. And voila! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram, and just tag me on the pictures I'm going to post so I can see your creations.